It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and it's day 2 in Temecula, and it's rainy and cold, which I hate, but here we are. So, just wanted to give you an update on what's going on today. Greg is completely reinventing this waterfall. Greg is also using a handy dandy shovel from Corona Tools. I'm so thankful to Corona. I thank them for sponsoring this video. They gifted us with all these shovels, with wheelbarrows, and not only is it great to get free stuff, but it's great to get free stuff that's actually going to hold up. We love Corona and have used them for years. So many thanks for that. We are reworking this waterfall. This big massive plastic thing you see before you will be the liner of this waterfall. And can you believe in just a matter of a few days this is going to be done? It's going to be awesome. I'm going to be planning out succulents, blowing out tapestry, doing things behind it. Over here we're starting to kind of lay out the yucca rostrata. I'm going to be doing some boulders around it to kind of anchor it visually in place. This back here is going to be a dedicated cactus garden. I'm still awaiting plants from Sun Valley. I'm getting some tall columnars and some other special xeriscopic plants that we can use back there. Then here, we are going to be, we're started bringing in some soil. We're going to be doing our mounding and doing tapestry here. I cannot wait for you guys to see the boulders that we got there. 100. Over here, we've been working on excavating a lot of plant material from these pots that was, for lack of a better word, dead. So with the client's blessing, we did throw out a lot of stuff that was in pots, and she's laughing, so I didn't realize I had so many pots, but it's normal over the years, right? Collect. So I'll be cherry picking and pulling some of these into the landscape, and others will be decoratively staged in her back potting area. This over here, I'm going to start getting some things going against this fence to soften it up. I don't know exactly what yet or how that's going to work, but you'll just have to watch. So that's what we're doing. Here's some of the haul from Oasis. The plants at Oasis are looking 100 right now. Really, really beautiful. Everything looks so great. I mean, look at these platyphylla. Can you even with this? They're so tight and so red, so pretty. Hannah's actually back at Oasis right now grabbing a second load of tapestry plants. So we have got our work cut out for us. I was going to roll up my sleeves and get started.
That's it. There. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
It's almost like even now, too.
Oh, it is even now. Perfect.
Okay, now jump in.
Come on, be brave. Come on.
I like the slime.
We are going to wrap it up a little early today in Temecula because it has just been, for the most part, relentlessly raining, and it's just getting a little ridiculous. So I did want to sign out though and show you guys Hannah went back for a second round of tapestry plants, and the boulders are starting to make their way back into the backyard. I can't thank our vendors enough. We can't do what we do without them, without all the beautiful high quality plants and the high quality rocks and all the high quality tools and supplies. I wanted to also give Corona Tools a special shout out today for sponsoring this video and providing us with all of our shovels and our clippers and our wheelbarrows. And I cannot say enough good things about this product line. So if you are looking to invest in some really good high quality tools, I recommend Corona 100%. So I'm going to go get dry and we will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.